Hello YouTubers, we have this SMC I got from Habitat. Here's the model. It's a M36. It's missing the upper canopy and a grommet. I've made a custom grommet I can use for the time being. If I sell this fan, it will not come with the grommet, but they can be easily remade. This is a stamped steel motor, aluminum blades, very heavily pitched blades. You can kind of see the pitch there. Goes from straight to almost a 45-degree angle. Let's go ahead and start this fan off on low on my speed control. All the way low on the Dayton 3 amp speed control. And it will keep running at this speed. It's a really nice aesthetic low, which is interesting. At this speed it's drawing, well, I'm turning this light off. Drawing 0.24. Let's go ahead and go to a medium. Somewhere around there. This does have some harmonics to it, which is interesting. First one I found harmonics in the 36-inch motor. On medium, it's drawing about 0.59, so a little over half an amp. So then go straight to half an amp. High speed, you can tell this thing flies. It's pretty well balanced. High speed, we're drawing 0.72, so about 3/4 of an amp. Yeah, overall this is a very good motor. This one will probably be for sale. Like I said, it will not include that grommet, because that grommet is a custom grommet I use for fans that don't have grommets. So be aware that it's missing canopy and grommet. But it does run very well. Silent. When I got it, it did have some balloon strings in the motor. You can kind of see them right there on the ground. Pulled those all out. They actually came out pretty easily. Just a matter of letting the motor spin freely while I pulled the strings out. And yeah. Can't complain with that. Let's go ahead and just spin it now. There we go. Got maybe 2 more fans I want to test today, maybe 3. Depending on where I get to with some parts I'm trying to get freed up. This one I'll probably sell in the Facebook group. If not, this will go on eBay. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Overall, these are very good little powerful fans. Good for like a laundry room or like a small shop or something like that. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.